Welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 18th May and the trade setup for tomorrow. See, the first thing what we observe is the CPR relationship. Here the CPR is in downtrend, so most probably we'll see for a put position and observe the width of the CPR. Here the width of the CPR is an arrow CPR. It's almost an arrow CPR only. So there is a chance the market may be depending on the opening location, it may be trendy to sideways, and we'll observe where the market opened. Here it is closing, right, and it is almost 100 points gap up today. And what is our strategy at H4? It was very clearly mentioned in yesterday's video that the market is not going to be easy if the market's opening range is between this point because of this 200 EMA, and we can't have a biased setup like yes, the market is going to be bullish, or yes, the market is going to be bearish because of this 200 EMA. And see the first 5 minutes candle. The first 5 minutes candle is not at all giving us any indication about the market's direction. If the first 5 minutes candle is breaking this H4, we will completely on the call side, not on the put side. But what happened here, the market is not at all breaking in the first 5 minutes candle, so we'll observe the second candle. See, what is our strategy? We never take a call position if it breaks in the second 5 minutes candle. So this H4 breaking is not advisable. We take only the first 5 minutes candle breakout only, since it is a downtrend CPR. Moreover, if it is an uptrend CPR too, we need first 5 minutes candle breakout only. Otherwise, we just avoid taking a trade and we are onto the put side. And if it is giving us any chance to take the put side, then we will go for the trade. And with the second 5 minutes candle, we don't have a price action, and we observe this third candle. See, there is previous day high, right? So if see this bearish candle, will you take a put position here at this point or not? Observe with Bank Nifty. Here, see, this is a downtrend CPR, right? This is a downtrend CPR. When the CPR is in downtrend, if it is reversing from H4, we are onto the put side. This candle is giving us the indication the market is onto the put side. And we don't have a price action with the IT sector today. The day the market was consolidating inside the CPR. So that was the reason we are just correlating with Bank Nifty. And if you take a put position here, yes, you can take a put position here. Where will be your stop loss? Always think about your stop loss. Today the market stop loss of our trade is going to be a little big because of this previous day high. There is a chance the market may come to this point and may form a wick. So that was the reason our stop loss will just be above this previous day high. So if you enter at this point, what is the stop loss? It is of 30 points. We normally take it is 30 points in index. So if you can take a put position, your stop loss in option will be around 15 points. We take almost 10 points of stop loss every day. But because of this see this bearish candle, we are taking a stop loss a big today that is of almost 15 to 20 points. It's up to you to take that big stop loss, or you can avoid taking a trade. If you take a put position here, we are confirming it with Bank Nifty. So that was the reason we can take a put position here. And what will be your target? See, it's your target, and it's almost 80 points movement from the point where we took the put position. And normally in the narrow CPR, our target will be up to bottom CPR, but because of this 20 EMA and this supporting candle, we can exit at this point too. It has a clear movement of 70 to 80 points, right? So if you want to avoid this consolidation, you can exit at this point. And if you miss to take the trade, the market has clearly showing a W pattern here. It's just below this H3 for some time, and again it went up. It was not an easy thing to decide about the market's direction after this CPR support. So after this consolidation of 2 hours, it again went to the downside, and this is the place where the market is giving us the direction about the put side. If you miss to take this trade, this is a 90% confirmation trade. If you take a trade at this point, it's a 50% confirmation trade, because our strategy is to take a put position at H4, not at H3. If you take a trade here at H3, you can take it at this point too, right, after breaking this H3. But if you take here, your stop loss will get hit. That was the reason you should never have fear of missing out just because of this big green candles. See, if you miss to take here, if you think about taking here, your stop loss will get hit. If you feel like yes, I can take a put position here. See, our target is at CPR. If you enter here at this point, what is the use of taking a trade without giving a good profit? See, always remember, you should have a good profit or a minimum stop loss. You should not exit in between. So you should not take a trade at this point. Moreover, the market was a clear reach to L3. But this is not an expected move. Anything can happen on expiry day. So that was the reason we just complete our trade in the morning itself. And we'll move on to the next day. Here the CPR is in downtrend. So we'll most probably see for a put position. But for tomorrow, this H3 is going to be the major level on taking a trade. On daily time frame, it is a 20 EMA support too. So that was the reason. If it is, see, observe clear candles at L3 for tomorrow. If it is sustaining below L3, it is going to be bearish. If it is taking support above L3, it is going to be bullish. Sometimes the market may pretend you like breaking the CPR. But remember, if you want to go for a put position at L3, we need a clear reversal. If you want to go for a call position at L3, we need a clear support. A clear support or a rounding reversal. Remember, these are the only setups where you can go for the call. If it is giving a reversal without a reversal candle, if it is just breaking with a big bearish candle, don't go for the put position. We need a reversal candle, otherwise don't enter into the trade. And if it is at L4 price action is completely different from L3. At L4, if it breaks, the 20 EMA is very far, right? So it want to come to this point, so it may take some time, and we can't decide. It's too early to decide the price action at L4. So this is the point of taking a trade. And what if the market will not come to L3 and if it breaks to CPR? If it breaks to CPR, we don't go for the trade in the morning. We just observe the consolidation. At 1 to 1:30, if we have a support at this H3, then we can think about taking a call position. Otherwise, we just avoid taking a trade. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.